Yo, HYASIA homeworks in the house. Revive your furniture, let's bounce from home to office. Kahit saan siya, kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar.
Sira na ba? Wag mo nang itapon, kami na bahala. Re-upholstery game, solid ang gawa. HYASIA homeworks, tibay na totoo, yeah.
Custom-made seats, leather o fabric, vehicle interior, astig na aesthetic.
Office o home, we fix with class, matibay ang gawa. Pasado sama! HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, solid all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR. We make it brand new, kahit lumang furniture. Your comforts are concerned, that's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town. Easy coordination, smooth communication. Payment madali, walang komplikasyon.
From concept to finish, we work with vision. Kasama ka sa plan para sure ang precision.
Gusto mong bago pero tipid pa rin. Sa HYASIA homeworks, guarantee sa the win. Quality craftsmanship, walang kapalit. We bring life back, legit ang sulit. HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. HYASIA homeworks, anywhere in NCR. We make it brand new, kahit lumang furniture. Your comforts are concerned, that's our vow. HYASIA homeworks, the best in town. We don't just fix, we bring life back. Every stitch, every foam, no slack. HYASIA homeworks, the name you can trust. Tibay, ganda, quality, a must. HYASIA homeworks, revive your style. Sofa, chair, car seat, sulit all the while. Durability, comfortability, reasonable rates, easy pay, quality. From repair to restore, kami ang sagot. HYASIA homeworks, walang palya, solid ang output. Your comforts are concerned, your vision our goal. HYASIA homeworks, we revive your soul. Yeah, HYASIA homeworks, let's go.
Yo, HYASIA homeworks in the house. Revive your furniture, let's bounce. From home to office, kahit saan sa NCR, kung repair ang hanap mo, kami ang superstar. Old sofa, sira na.